Hello, this is Lee, licensed acupuncture herbalist, and I past 20 years I treated many people with cancer. I worked in Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, and mainly they use acupuncture to help people enhance their immune function and digestive function during the chemotherapy. But I think if we can combine the herbs, we actually can get better result. So the review study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology 2020 by Dr. Hoffman explained why we use herbs can help cancer patients to fight the cancer during chemotherapy and radiation therapy. First, when you use chemotherapy to destroy the cancer cells, you also weaken the immune function. So to maintain the proper immune function is the key to fight the cancer. So we have different kind of lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, and those lymphocytes need to be balanced. There is T cells which can destroy the cancer cells. There's also regulatory T cells, the lymphocytes, which monitor the cytotoxic lymphocytes, so they won't destroy the normal tissue. And just like yin and yang, there's different kind of lymphocytes, and the cytokine has to be balanced. So they stimulating the acting T cells has to be balanced by the inhibiting T cells. That way you destroy the cancer cell, but you don't destroy your body. If this balance is lost, then we started destroying our own tissue, and the different lymphocytes produce antibody attacking the tissues, and cytokines can attacking and can cause chronic inflammation and leading to autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis. So by using Chinese herbs, we can balancing this different kind of lymphocytes and cytokine, so we can control the inflammation to the right level that you destroy the cancer cell, but you keep the normal cells. And certain Chinese herbs can also enhance natural killer cells, which plays a very important role in monitor the cancer to kill the cancer cells. And the other thing when we're treating cancer patients is that they have nausea and they couldn't eat, they lose weight, and eventually their white blood cells and platelet go so low then they couldn't tolerate the chemotherapy and radiation therapy. And that happens to my father when he had late stage lung cancer, and oncologists predict that he can only survive 3 months, but we use acupuncture and herbs. So he never developed neuropathy, and he never stopped the chemo because his blood count is too low. So using Chinese herbs, we protect our digestive system. Even the taste is not very appealing, but after you drink that, your digestive system can function better. So I remember my father told me, after taking the herbs and a 5-element soup, he just feel hungry all the time. So he has the appetite to eat. And that's very critical for the cancer patient during chemotherapy, because if they keep losing weight, then their blood count, their hemoglobin, and everything will go down, and eventually they have to stop chemotherapy. And if they cannot repair the tissue which destroyed by chemotherapy, then you don't have normal tissue. You kill the cancer cells, and then you also kill the normal tissue. So we think, based on this review study, if anybody wants to read this paper, it's a very thorough review paper. So you can see how single herbs such as honey goat, yin yang huo, how it can enhance macrophage activity, which can kill the cancer cells in the lung cancer or other kind of cancer. So before you make decision to combine acupuncture, herbs, and chemotherapy, you can read those research paper so that you understand more about herbs. You can go to bostonchineseacupuncture.org and read the articles we put it there. Thank you.